Hello. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create an account in the TinkerCad platform. So what you want to first do is open up your web browser and then type www.tinkercad.com. It will lead you to this website. So this is the home page for TinkerCad. So TinkerCad is a free web app that allows you to do 3D design, electronics, and coding, right? And it's free. It's a product from Autodesk. So we can see by scrolling down the various things you can do with TinkerCad. So you can create 3D models like this. You can create your circuits and simulate them. You can also start coding, right? You can also start learning how to code with TinkerCad by using their block programming environment. So in order to create an account, let's just go straight to the navbar, which is this blue bar at the top here, and click on sign up. Then click on create a personal account. Then select sign in with Google, right? Once you click on sign in with Google, it would redirect us to Google authentication for us to sign in. So I'll click on my account. If you don't have an account already signed in, you would have to then sign into that particular Google account before continuing. Verification. Continue. So yeah, so after trying to sign in, so now we'll go to the account creation process. We will select our country. So in this case, Ghana. Then you just set your birth date here. Yes, then we click on continue to agree to the terms and privacy statements. Okay, so we are in. It's a very simple process. We've successfully created our account. So in the next video, we'll look at exploring the user interface for the TinkerCad platform. I'll see you in the next video.